We are all struggling with our mind. Everyone wants to control the mind, but on the contrary, we find that the mind is controlling us. Now, the great warrior Arjuna, he has put this question to the Supreme Lord Sri Krishna. In Bhagavad Gita 6th chapter 34th verse, it is said, Chanchalahi manah Krishna pramati balabhadranam tasyaham nigraham manne vayora visuduskaram. O Krishna, the mind is very obstinate, stubborn and very difficult to control. It's very strong. For me, it's easy to control the air and wind, but it's very difficult to control the mind. So, actually, Arjuna was so powerful. He has such a great strength. And then he promised Krishna, I can control the wind, I can control hurricane, I can control tornado. But I find difficult to control my mind. Now, Srila A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, he gives an analogy. The body is compared to a chariot, and the senses are like the horses. The intelligence is the charioteer, but the charioteer, he controls the horses by the medium of reins. You all know that this is the connection between the horses and the charioteer. So the charioteer, he gives the instructions and signals to the horses by his reins. But suppose if the reins are dropped, not in his hand, then what is going to happen? Because the horses will not get any command or signal or instructions of the charioteer. And if there are 5 horses or 10 horses and 10 horses, all of them are acting independently where the chariot will move, what's going to happen? How there will be victory for such a person who is riding on such a chariot? This is our situation, all of us. So what is first needed is that all our senses comes under a proper control. They get signals of the intelligence. They respond to it. Otherwise, we cannot be victorious in our life. So Arjuna, he requested Lord Krishna to guide him, give him the instructions and the intelligence. And then Supreme Lord replies in the next verse, verse number 35, Shri Bhagavan Uvacha Asansayam Mahabaho Mano Durnigraham Chalam Abhyasena tu Konteya Vairagyena cha Gruhate. The Supreme Lord said, Hey Mahabahu, Arjuna, it is true, the mind is very difficult to control, but it is possible by constant practice and the detachment. These are the two things the Supreme Lord Krishna has advised, recommended for Arjuna to practice. Now, Srila Prabhupada, A.C. Bhaktivedanta Swami Srila Prabhupada, he explains in greater detail. He said, the mind is possible to be controlled by constantly hearing about Lord Sri Krishna. This is the easiest way to control the uncontrolled mind. If we engage our mind in the thoughts of Krishna, in hearing about Krishna, constantly hearing about Krishna, the mind will come under control. And this has to be practiced repeatedly. That's the only process to control the uncontrolled mind. The Supreme Lord Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he recommended we should be constantly chanting the holy names of the Lord with great love and devotion and with humility. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So once we do these two practices, then gradually our uncontrolled senses and our mind will come under our control. It will receive the proper dictations and the commands of the intelligence which is guided by the scriptures, the intelligence which is being guided by the proper guru and sadhu. And in that state we can definitely be victorious. Then we will be developing the detachment. The detachment is the detachment from the matter, the material senses. Until unless we are detached, we cannot control the mind, because the mind will always be attracted towards the material sense gratification. And as long as the mind is attached with the material sense gratification, we cannot make any true advancement. So, dear friends, know it for sure. The simple process, it's 3-step process to control our mind. First thing what we need is to constantly hear again and again about the Supreme Lord Krishna's glorious pastimes. This is called Krishna Rasayan. In Ayurveda, Rasayan is called the best medicine. So this is Krishna Katha, is the real Krishna Rasayan. If we start hearing about Lord Sri Krishna through our ears, gradually all our senses will come under proper control. The mind will come under proper discipline. And once the mind is under the proper discipline, then the mind will receive the proper instructions of the intelligence. And for sure, the mind and the intelligence all will be purified by hearing the holy names of the Lord Sri Krishna, the Mahamantra Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. So by following these simple steps, we can overcome our weaknesses and we will be victorious in our day-to-day life, in our life, and we will be really glorious. So please like this channel, subscribe and share with your friends. Give them also an opportunity to advance in their spiritual life. Thank you. Hare Krishna.